Hey, good morning, class. We are starting our math lesson today. Again, it's October 22nd, Thursday. So this week we've been talking about multiplication. Some strategies we've learned are what? Who can tell me something we've learned about multiplication this week, or a strategy that we've learned to get our answer? The number lines, good. So, strategies we've learned for multiplication. Use a number line. Okay, which is my least favorite. I don't think it really helps you get the answer, in my opinion. But we have to know it. We have to know what it looks like on a number line to do multiplication, because you will have answer choices that give you a number line, and you need to know what it would look like if you had to choose that answer choice. Okay, what else have we learned this week? You use the tiles to make what? Equal groups. Equal groups. Nope, you're not writing anything yet. I'll tell you when to write, okay? You're just listening. Equal groups. The other day we realized, oh, I can count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What is that called when we count like that? Skip counting. Good. So skip counting is another strategy. We talked about the commutative property. What is the commutative property? We had the commutative property on addition too. All that means is you can flip the numbers around and it will be what? The numbers will be the same, or the answer will be the same. Okay, so if I do 3 times 2 and 2 times 3, the answer will be the same. So when you're learning your facts, you're actually learning two different problems, because when you flip it around, you're going to get the same answer. So we will know our 3 times 2 facts, and then we'll know our 2's times 3 facts, okay? Because they're the same. Okay, so today we're going to add arrays. Arrays are made up of rows and columns. So now I need you to get out your math spiral, open to the notes section, and now we're going to write down a few things about arrays. And then I'm going to give you some problems, and we're going to be drawing arrays in our math spiral. So those of you at home be doing the same thing, because that's what we're doing here in class. Okay, so open to a clean page. I'll wait a couple seconds for you to get there. I'm going to clear my board, and we're going to start fresh. Okay, so let's talk about arrays. Arrays are rows of things, okay? So rows of items. The first factor is going to be your number of rows, and the second factor is your number of columns. Okay, so rows go across. So think of a movie theater. When you're walking down a row, you're walking across, right? You're not walking up to get to that row. Okay, so if somebody says we're on row 3, you're walking down the row across the movie theater, right? Not up. Okay, so rows go across. Columns go up and down. Okay, yes, so have that written in your spiral. We're going to put arrays at the top. And then arrays, all that means is you're going to have rows of items. We have rows times columns. Okay, so rows. Oops. So the C stands for columns. Columns go up and down, like we said.